would let me fly the plane, but each time he would say, maybe next time, or maybe just
Oh
for
my
a few
God, I can't
seconds.
believe you
Next
did
time we
that.
went out, I had to endure 3 weekends of simulated bombing runs over the Mekong Delta.
I can't remember that song. Let it go again. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Do 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 booty do 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 booty do do. La la la, too much booty in the pants. Yeah. Oh. Hi.
What? Who are you?
Isn't it obvious?
Not at all. It says MB on your chest.
Yeah, and on your diaper it says BM. Bowel movement. It still says bowel movement.
It's burrito mania.
Okay, burrito man. But seriously, why are you in our apartment?
That is a nice outfit. Where do you get it from?
I guess it started about 3 weeks ago. And ever since then, I've been living here with you guys.
I can't read his mind.
Me either.
What? Oh. And by the way, I know about the mind reading thing. What do you think this bad boy's for?